Over the years, Generac has continually innovated to help make the standby generator installation easier. One of the most successful items that we were able to not only bring to market, but also make a standard accepted in the NEC is conductor cable. The conductor cable has all of the necessary conductors required for a Generac standby generator installation. It includes color-coded wires to match the connection points in both the generator and the automatic transfer switch. This helps to eliminate wiring issues and the need to pull from multiple spools of wire during the installation. The conductor cable is also UL 1277 rated and approved for exposed runs in basements and attics, allowing it to be directly stapled to joists. Additionally, the cable boasts a UV-resistant jacket and is rated for direct burial. Priced comparably to individual wires, the conductor cable is available in multiple sizes with both copper and aluminum variants. The most popular size applicable is to the 16 and 24 kW units. It is also recommended to use ratchet snips with the cable. These make cutting the cable to length a matter of seconds compared to the traditional wire cutting methods. Available at any hardware store with an electrical selection. Overall, the conductor cable can provide up to 8 hours of time savings depending on the installation. This improved workflow is an essential addition to the efficient installation of the generator. For more information, contact a Generac sales representative.